Hi everyone, it's Tracy again doing another pedicure. Please don't forget to subscribe. So I'm just removing the polish. It's not gel polish, and I'm using my Orly cuticle oil and pushing back my cuticles and just cleaning around the nails, clipping it if need to, and filing it and buffing it. And also I'll be using the Orly bonder, and then I'll be using the Kiarasky white, that's pure white right there, to do the French tip. So you guys, please again, don't forget to subscribe to my Life on a Hill. My name is Tracy, and this is about two coats right here. Topping it off with the rhinestone. I'm only putting it on with top coat. It lasts just as long because my feet is just taking showers. It's not washing dishes all day long. So, and a cuticle oil, and here it is for the awesome photo shoot. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and hopefully I'll have the strength to do my nails pretty soon. So thanks again for watching. Be safe, you guys.